Okay, we're here at the field with this F-14. It is maiden day. Bring the wings out. There's been the landing gear reinforcements, and the nose gear has been replaced with the F-18 gear. If things go well on this maiden flight, then there'll be a next video showing what's been modified on this plane. Okay, taking off. Hopefully. Let's see.
4 minutes, 35 seconds, 25.1 volts.
Let's see. Wow, that took a long time to take off. I'm not getting the greatest elevator responses. Hold on.
Feels mushy?
Yeah, very. This might be a little nose heavy. A little too nose heavy, maybe. It flies pretty stable, but like the response I'm getting isn't really what I. Yeah. The nose keeps wanting to come down. All right, let me bring this in. Landing from the left.
Flaps 1, flaps 2.
Ooh, hot landing. Hot. All right, well, at least it came down. Thank you, thank you, thank you.